Everyone, welcome back to my channel RMBA to Take. আশা ৰাখিছো আপোনালোক সকলোৱে ভালে আছে আৰু আজিৰ এই ভিডিঅ'টোত আমি এটা ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট নটিফিকেশন ডিসকাস কৰিব লৈছো আপোনালোকে APSC ওয়েবসাইটত পাই যাব নটিফিকেশন আপোনালোকে ডেট দেখা পাইছে 16 জুলাই 2025 ইয়াত লিখিছে It is for the information of all concerned that the APSC will hold the screening test OMR based for recruitment to the post of Assistant Director of Cottage Industries and its equivalent post under Industries and Commerce Department. Taloka dice 3rd August 2025 time 10 to 12 noon subject general studies aru ya likhise taloka kono dhoronor intimation letter belek koi napothai aru ya dice the list of candidates shall be uploaded on 19th of July 2025 aru admit card apnaloke 28 July pora download koribo paribo APSC website on aru ya dice commission e dorga hole taloke reserves the right to cancel the candidature of any candidate on verification of their application form. Aru ya dice jekol physically handicapped candidates ase teloke scribe lobo paribo aru ya dice with supporting documents to the commission aru teloke mail koribo lagibo on or before 21st of July 2025. Etu eta asle important notification aru eta notification ami ebar sai lo ahok aru jodi video tu bhal lagise tetale eta like kori dibo channel tu subscribe koribo na paribo logote video tu share koribo na paribo ahok eta next notification ebar sai lo notification to hoise regarding it is for information of all concerned candidates who appeared in the OMR based screening test for the post of law assistant in the office of the Chief Inspector of Factories Assam under Labor Welfare Department teloke provisional answer ki di dise paper 1 paper 2 teloke di dise yat aru apnaloke jodi kiba thake claim koribo paribo aru yat eta important point no claim for correction of answer key will be entertained if the same is not supported by specific documents reference to any website or any unspecified documents will not be entertained apnaloke with supporting documents dibo lagibo aru yat dice claim in the link provided in the official website on or before apnaloke 20 July 2025 er agot claim koribo lagibo no petition through email or hard copy regarding claim and objection against answer key will be considered এই দুটা আছিল important notification আশা ৰাখিছো ভিডিওটো আপোনালোকে নিশ্চয় ভাল পাইছে আজিলৈ আহো বাই বাই টেক কেয়াৰ জয় হিন্দ